In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best radon test kit, selected for their risks quickly, accurately, and confidently before exposure becomes a serious problem indoors today. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Airthings 325 Radon Test Kit. The Airthings 325 Radon Test Kit is a premium choice for homeowners who want accurate, long-term radon monitoring with modern, smart features. Built on the same trusted technology as the original Corentium Home, this updated model adds Bluetooth connectivity along with temperature and humidity sensors, making it a more complete indoor air quality solution. What really sets this device apart is its ability to continuously monitor radon gas without any lab fees or waiting periods. You simply place it in your home and it starts collecting reliable data around the clock. The companion mobile app makes radon levels easy to understand by displaying clear graphs that show how levels rise and fall over time, helping users identify patterns and take timely action. Personalized tips within the app add extra value, guiding you on what steps to take if radon levels become unsafe and how to maintain a healthier indoor environment. Professionals trust Airthings' patented radon sensing technology, and that confidence carries over to home users who want peace of mind backed by proven accuracy. The additional temperature and humidity readings also help you better understand overall indoor comfort, not just radon exposure. Number 2. Airthings 223 Radon Test Kit. The Airthings 223 Radon Test Kit is a classic and highly dependable option for anyone looking for straightforward radon monitoring without smart connectivity. As the world's first battery-operated digital radon detector, it remains popular for its simplicity and reliability. This device is designed for long-term monitoring, which is crucial because radon levels can fluctuate daily due to weather, ventilation, and seasonal changes. The clear on-screen display shows both short-term and long-term readings, allowing users to quickly understand current conditions, while also tracking overall trends. One of the strongest features of the Airthings 223 is the control it gives homeowners. If you take steps to reduce radon levels, you can easily check whether those improvements are working by monitoring updated readings. The ability to generate a radon self-inspection report is especially useful for real estate transactions, rentals, or personal records. Since it runs on batteries, placement is flexible and does not require an electrical outlet, making it suitable for basements, bedrooms, or living areas. Results appear quickly, offering peace of mind without complicated setup or ongoing costs.
Number 3. AEGTEST 1011 Radon Test Kit. The AEGTEST 1011 Radon Test Kit is a versatile and portable radon detector designed for users who want detailed data and flexible monitoring options. Its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere in the home, or even carry while traveling, without sacrificing performance. With a wide detection range from 0.09 to 1,000 picocuries per liter, and support for both picocuries per liter and becquerel per meter cubed units, it suits different regional standards and user preferences. Powered by a high-precision semiconductor sensor, the device delivers its first results within 6 hours and continues updating readings hourly, ensuring timely and accurate information. One standout feature is its ability to display both short-term and long-term radon trends, with data viewable from the past 6 hours all the way up to 504 days. This makes it especially useful for understanding long-term exposure risks. Number 4. LifeBasis TFT Radon Test Kit. The LifeBasis TFT Radon Test Kit focuses on accurate detection, long-term data storage, and clear alerts to help protect family health. Since radon is a leading cause of lung cancer after smoking, consistent monitoring is essential, and this device is built with that purpose in mind. It uses a high-precision semiconductor sensor with a wide detection range, delivering the first reading after 6 hours and updating results every hour. Users can easily review radon levels across multiple timeframes, including 24, 48, 72, and 96 hours, as well as average and peak values. One of its strongest features is long-term historical data storage, allowing users to view up to 504 days of radon records, which greatly improves accuracy and trend analysis over time. The dual alarm system combines color-coded visual bars with sound alerts, providing immediate warnings when radon reaches hazardous levels. Adjustable alert thresholds make it adaptable to different safety standards. The rechargeable battery offers up to 45 days of use with the screen off, and the compact, lightweight design allows placement in bedrooms, basements, garages, offices, or schools. With Type-C charging and intuitive controls, daily operation is simple.
Number 5. CHNADKS PCI Radon Test Kit. The CHNADKS PCI Radon Test Kit is a feature-rich radon detector designed for both accuracy and ease of use. Equipped with a high-precision semiconductor sensor, it measures radon levels across a wide range and uses scientifically designed air vents to ensure fast, reliable diffusion of radon gas into the detector. The first data appears within 6 hours, followed by hourly updates that keep users continuously informed. Its 2.0-inch color TFT screen presents information clearly, using a graphical interface and color progress bar to make radon levels easy to understand at a glance. The device records detailed data, including 24-hour, 48-hour, 72-hour, and 96-hour readings, along with accumulated average and peak values, helping users track both short-term changes and long-term exposure. Dual audio-visual alerts provide immediate warnings when radon exceeds safe thresholds, and these thresholds can be adjusted to meet local safety guidelines. Designed for portability, it includes a rear kickstand for flexible placement in basements, homes, or poorly ventilated areas.
And that wraps up the top 5 best radon test kit. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and see ya in the next one.